All right, it's Throwback Thursday. It's hot. We doing some ice cream. Let me see what else we got to put in it. Strawberries. We going. We ain't stopping there. We are not stepping there. Didn't you forget that I was man in the kitchen? Ice cream. We got bananas. We got strawberries. Me and Lisa go get down. Get us 2 little cups right here. Bowls. Oh yeah, look at her over there, happy. You happy? Oh yeah, that's a happy sound right there. Okay, let's get us some spoons up out of here. How about it? Okay. This one. A man in the kitchen's scooper. All right.
I'm gonna open it up for you.
Nah, be too hard. Hold on a minute.
Okay.
All right, we are here and we doing ice cream, vanilla ice cream with strawberries and bananas. And let me see, what else can we add to this? Bam! Uh-oh.
What is that?
Chocolate.
Bring it up here.
Anything
Let me
more?
see it.
Anything else we can add to the? Uh-oh. Bam!
What is it? Let me see
Whipped cream.
it.
Man in kitchen.
Woo!
Throwback Thursday. It's hot today.
Yep.
Me and Lisa, they're off from work. And we about to get down. On Throwback Thursday. Make sure you visit us at blogtalkradio.com/reasontalkradio. If you click follow, I'll make you one of these good old bowls of ice cream specials and send it to you in your email. Man in the kitchen. All right.
Anything else you want to add to that?
Let's get these strawberries out. Come on now. Come on. If we drop them, I'm saying cut. Okay, let's get the strawberries out.
I'm heading up.
Let's do this. And I'm putting a whole strawberry on the top. Ain't no need in trying to cut them. Don't get too close. Ain't no need to try to cut them. You're right where I wanted you to be. Now go back. Thank you very much. Right there. Thank you. Now you film it like that. Let me see how it looks. Throwback Thursday, vanilla ice cream. There you go. Now come up just a little bit till I tell you to stop. Come on. Mobile camera, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Being filmed by Lisa Good. All right, what else we got to do? We need a little knife. Right there. All right, let's get that end cut off, though, right there. Stick that on there like that. Get that end cut off. Stick that in there like that. Close that back up. Get those closer so they can be seen. Okay. And cold stuff, I like to put it away, right? I'm done. I'm supposed to be the one talking here. I'm running a man in the kitchen show. Now, no cameraman talking right now. Okay, here we go. Get this banana going. We don't need a whole lot of it, just a little bit. You know? Peel that on off there. Give Lisa the rotten part. No, I'm just playing.
Hey, grab.
Okay, a couple of little banana slits in there. Bow. Not that piece. Too soft. No brown. If you want the brown parts, you put that in banana pudding. Other than that, okay, throw some banana pieces in there. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Get that chocolate out. Dip some chocolate on it like that. Like that. All right. Whipped cream. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up. Ice cream, man, in the kitchen. Vanilla ice cream, chocolate, strawberry, banana,
Look at that. It's coming out. Look
and
at it.
whipped cream.
Ooh,
All right, give people a close look at that.
We're close?
Zoom in, close. I said close.
Okay.
See, Throwback Thursday. Have a good evening.
Look at that. Look at that.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'm shaking the camera. Good. There's your camera woman.